Hey guys, in this video, I'll walk you guys through the main features of GoodNotes 5, one of the most popular note-taking apps out there, sharing what I love about it and where I think they could do better. So let's go. Hey guys, this is iOSir. I will do iOS app reviews and share some of the helpful tips to let you make the best of your iOS devices. So if you're also an iOSer, subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. GoodNotes 5 is a combination of digital notepad and PDF markup tool, and it's good at both. It costs $7.99 for a lifetime purchase, and I think it's reasonable. Currently, GoodNotes 5 is ranked number 1 in the App Store productivity category. When you try to create a new document in GoodNotes 5, you can create a notebook or folder, choose the cover and page template that GoodNotes offers. There are hundreds of stunning book covers you can choose from, and many page templates such as blank, squared, columned, time planner, or even music sheets. All of these options make GoodNotes very customizable. You can easily distinguish your own notes from the others. So let's double tap on the plus button to create a quick note, and we change the title to GoodNotes 5 Presentation. And GoodNotes 5 has a very natural and smooth writing experience, and that comes with the algorithm after the GoodNotes 5 update. Let's talk about pen. There are 3 styles of pen in the app. Tap on the pen icon in the toolbar to choose between them. The first one, fountain pen, which I personally use the most. It makes me feel like having a good calligraphy, and that's not what you always get writing on a tablet. The second one is ball pen. It's more rounded and mellow, I would say, and I use this style mostly for drawing shapes. The last pen they have is brush pen. It appears thicker and more sketchy. It's a gorgeous pen style, but I don't get to use it that much. Next powerful tool is highlighter. Same as the pen, you can adjust the thickness and color manually or use their presets, which you can also customize. The highlighter you draw over the text won't cover the text or make it blurry. It just lays underneath the text to do its job, and that's what I love about it. Another cool feature that I want to mention is that you can turn on the Erase Highlighter Only option in the Eraser section. Once you set that up, wherever you erase, only highlighter will be wiped out. The other pen style won't be affected. So let's move on to the shape tool. It turns the shapes you draw to the shape that it can recognize, like a triangle, a rectangle, circle, a lightning, or a star. You can also make the lines you draw snap to each other by option. Apart from that, you can easily drag the images from your library or from the internet to the area of GoodNotes 5 without efforts. Just drag and drop. You can also shoot a photo right away with your camera or scan a document using the built-in scanner. The lasso tool is also a must-have while writing notes. You can select any text, shapes, images, reposition, or resize until you're satisfied. Another cool feature of GoodNotes 5 is that they incorporated the function of presentation in the note-taking app, which is achieved by mirroring your screen or page to another monitor and using laser pointer to track. In this case, you can simply write down what you need and make a presentation right away, all in GoodNotes 5. Then the feature of texting included allows you to type in text around your other form of notes. You can choose the size, fonts, make them bold, italic, or underline them. Move the text box around to find a perfect spot for them. Another thing that comes in handy in GoodNotes 5 is the search function. The algorithm recognizes 14 different languages, and they would definitely add more according to the languages that users are using. If you have a lot of notes and you want to find a specific one, you don't have to grab your head, sorting it out in your brain. Just type in a keyword or the word that you remember ever written in that certain note. The search tool will show you directly which notes include these words, and you can just tap to navigate. This feature will be very helpful if you have a lot of notes and they piled up as the time goes by. As I mentioned before, GoodNotes 5 is a digital notepad and PDF markup tool, so you can import PDF, Docs, XLXX, PPTX, GoodNotes file, or scan documents into the app. Also, you can export your notes as PDF, image, GoodNotes file, or print out directly if you have a printer available. Now I'm going to share what I love about this app. GoodNotes 5 almost contains every feature that other note-taking apps offer. It's powerful and versatile. You don't have to worry about the lack of some essential or important tools that you've been asking for. Or if it does, there's a big group of people behind GoodNotes. They will continue to add more features to make this app better. Another thing that I love so much about this app is its customizability. You can diverse your notes by giving them different covers, organize them by putting them into appropriate folders to simply classify your notes. Lastly, I love how GoodNotes 5 works so stably. After months of using, they barely crashed even when I run multiple windows or add pictures frequently. It just works so fine that all you need to do is focus on your note-taking. The last thing we're going to discuss is where they could still do better. Since note-taking apps are mostly students-oriented, there is a high demand for recording while taking notes. Just imagine if your teachers or professors talk very fast, recording while taking notes will help a lot. But unfortunately, there's no recording option in GoodNotes 5 currently. Hope they would add that feature in the future. Number 2, the pen styles are not enough. All you have in this app are gel pen-like style. I've been longing for them to add pencil in the styles. Sometimes we want to get the feeling and effect of pencil, but it's just not supported yet. Number 3, the shape tool is not perfect. This app would turn the shapes you draw into better ones, but they're a little uneven and not perfect shapes. This is what happened when I try to draw a square. And that's just my personal opinion. If you happen to like more realistic shapes, there will be no problems. So that's all of today's video. Comment down below of what you love or are unsatisfied with this app. If you find my content helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye!